Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we're going to teach you exactly how you can type vertically in your text boxes on Microsoft PowerPoint really quickly. So let us get started right away. Head over to your PowerPoint presentation, select the slide from the left hand side. So let me go for example with that slide here. After that, click on the text box and highlight the text you would like to convert into a vertical text. And what you want to need to do guys next is head over to the Home tab, and here under Paragraph you will see a feature called text direction. So click on that arrow down icon and select stack, for example, to change the horizontal to vertical typing, just like that. And after that, you may, for example, start typing from top to the bottom. So let me delete, for example, that example text here and start typing, I don't know, test text, for example, test text, and so on and so forth. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you type vertically in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.